Hey, hi everyone. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about the logical operators that we use in the MongoDB. Well, these are mainly four, which are AND, OR, NOT, and this expression operator in MongoDB, right? So, what is this AND for? Well, AND defines all the condition must be true, means putting this AND operator and giving multiple conditions. So in the case when all the condition will be true, it will filter out the result, otherwise it will give null, right? Similarly, there's or. The in or, basically there is a condition that at least one of the condition among all the given condition, at least one should be correct, right? In that particular case it results as the true. And not is the opposite of condition. That means basically your not operator is to negate a condition, right? Basically it returns the opposite, fine. And this expression, what it is for? Well, it allows using the aggregation expression in the query filter. I explain you that what it is. Basically it is very powerful when you need to compare two fields in the same document, right? Then we use this, right? So let's understand, let's code and see that how it works. So let's go to the index.js file. So here you can see that I'm having the environment to set the MongoDB, right? Now we will start with the AND operator first, but before starting let me show you my database. You can see, right, these are all set of data. So our database name is programming knowledge, the collection is students, and that inside the database, among all the data, the field are name, age, city, marks, and past, right? So these are all data. Now let's start the working. So first of all, I'll start with and, right? So how we work with and? So basically, we are going to make the filter such that the students who are older than 20 and are from the city Delhi should come out, right? So for that purpose, what you need to write, you need to write const uh, and result, right? I'm taking the variable, right? Await, and then the collection. This collection is holding my collection name, which is students, right? So I'll write collection like this. Collection dot find, right? Collection dot find. Put the bracket here. Now after putting the bracket, put the curly bracket like this. Now inside of this, we are going to use the AND operator. So for using the AND operator, what we do, we write first the dollar sign and then AND like this, right? Then there's a colon. Now since we are going to give condition and these are conditions are going to be more than one, right? So there should be an array like this. Now inside of this, first of all, put a curly bracket and give your first condition, right? And then put the comma and then write your second condition like this, right? Now let's start working with the first condition. So I want that age should be greater than 20. So how we write it? Just write age, right? And put a curly bracket like this and greater than 20. So dollar gt should be 20, right? The age should be greater than 20. And after that, the city to be Delhi, right? To city Delhi like this. So these are two different conditions, right? Now when this particular query will run, it will take out all the data. So there are the chances that there could be more than one data which will satisfy this and operator condition, right? So to get that, we need to convert it into the array, right? To array like this. So this is the complete way how we code it. Let's save it and go to the terminal, right? And run node index.js, press enter. What happened? Okay, sorry, we have not printed it, right? So console.log and we will print our AND result like this, right? Let's run it again. And this time you can see I got two different result where the city is Delhi and the age is greater than 20, right? City is Delhi and the age is greater than 20 means both the condition are satisfying. When both the condition will satisfy, only those data will come out, right? This is how your AND works. Now let's start with the OR operator. For that I'm just copying it. Let's go down, paste it here, or let's comment it down like this. Now so for the OR result, right? OR result and let's paste it here also. And in that particular case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to say that or, right? Or. So inside the or, I'm saying that let's remove this age condition. I'm saying either the city is Delhi or the city is Mumbai, right? Bring those data that has either the city as Delhi or the Mumbai. So let's write the city as Mumbai like this. Let's save it. After saving, let's just clear it out, right? Node index.js, press enter, and you can see it has taken out all the data set where either the city is Delhi or the city is either Mumbai. You can see Delhi, Mumbai like this. Got it? So this is how your OR works, right? Now let's just clean it out or make it comment, right? Now here, let's understand this not, right? So let's understand the not. So let's just do one thing. Let's copy it out and paste it here. And what I will do, I'll just change this as not result, right? And here you can see. So inside of this, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to write that a student whose marks are not greater than 50. This is what I'm going to do. So for that purpose, let's just clean in the filter condition, right? So for that not, right, you need to first give the particular key for which you are going to apply. So marks, I'm going to apply it on marks, right? And then put the curly bracket and then dollar not like this, right? And then dollar and greater than 50, right? So basically what is happening here, that first of all I'm having this condition that greater than 50 means marks should be greater than 50, and then I'm putting this not. Now what this not will do, it will take out those data where the marks is not greater than 50, right? So this is how it will give you the result, right? Let's just save it and go to the terminal, and let's just clear it out, right? Node index.js, press enter, and you can see it has taken out those data result where marks is not greater than 50, 40 and the 30 like this. Got it? Yeah. And the last one is your expression. Now we want that student where marks are greater than the age. We are going to put the condition on two different field of the same data. Are you getting what I'm saying? I'm going to put the condition where I'm going to compare two different field of the same data and then taking out the result, right? This is going to be like more fun to understand the concept of this expr, right? So let's write const expr result equals to await collection dot find, put a bracket, curly bracket. Now inside of this the marks, no, sorry, since we are going to work with the expr, right? So we need to write here dollar expr, right? And then put a colon here. Now after that just put the curly bracket, right? So what I'm going to say that put those, take out those data where the marks are greater than the age. So for that purpose what we need to write, we need to write this greater than gt and put a colon here and then the curly bracket, right? And inside of this first take the first field and the other field. Inside the first field I'm saying dollar marks, right? When you are giving your particular field, then you need to write this dollar, right? This dollar marks and then dollar age like this, right? And then in the end to array, right? This is how we write it. Now let's just print it and see that whether our code is correct or not. Expr, right? Let's save it and go to the terminal. Let's clear it out and write node index.js. Press enter, and you can see in all the data which I'm getting here, what is happening, that our marks is greater than age. And of course that is true, right? The marks is 85, age is 22. Marks is 60 and age is 19, right? Marks is 40 and age is 25. That's why it is correct with all the condition. Let's just do reverse of it, right? So let's just write the age first and then the marks here, right? Now let's just save it and run it again, and you can see this is time I'm not getting any data because no age is greater than marks, right? So we write the first condition, like first field, to compare with the second field, right? So you can see no data is present where the age is greater than the marks, right? So this is how we work with this all this logical operator. I hope you understood the concept very clearly, right? Make sure that you do the practice of these operators by yourself also, and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.